Welcome everyone to the reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, and this one's called Put Your Party Hats On. This is a really bright and cheery card kit, and it's perfect for birthdays. And I'll start you off with the 6x8 stamp set called Put Your Party Hats On, which features a really nice large message that you can stamp on a full-size card base. And there's also other messages in bold prints and fonts in the birthday and party theme. The illustrated designs include party hats and also some flag banners and confetti to create some really fun and festive birthday and party themed cards and projects. To add some sparkle and shine to your cards, we're also including the new Rainbow Splash gem stickers. There's two different sizes in a rainbow of color. These have a self-adhesive backing, and there's 232 gems in the pack. Another new item we're including in this kit is the Rainbow Splash Swiss Dots embossing folder. These folders give you a really crisp, clean 2D effect on all your cardstocks and foiled papers. Another fun item we're including is a bag of, this calls for confetti rainbow wheel clay, and these are little polymer circles that are about the same size as a large gemstone, and they're really nice and flat, and you can glue them onto your projects or use them for shaker cards. Also in that pack is either a clear or white button, and the idea for this is that you can put it on top of a party hat once you've stamped and colored it for a nice, fun, dimensional idea. We're also including a package of Tim Holtz Ideology word tag embellishments, and these are really fun. You can tie them on some brightly colored strings to add to your cards, and they're full of really nice sentiments like love and some hearts and also positive, happy thoughts. One of my favorite items in this kit is the Simon Says Stamp Positively Everyday Scissors. These are a nice size for all your crafting needs, and they have that non-stick steel blade, which is perfect for cutting through adhesives, paper, and fabric. We have some beautiful papers for this kit, and these are Paper Rose Rainbow Twirl, and these are 6x6 sheets. They are double-sided. The front side has a very bright and bold rainbow type pattern, either watercolored or with flowers. And the back side to some of these has a white backdrop with a rainbow type pattern, either diagonal or little tiny circles in different patterns. I like the idea of cutting out the flowers to create an arrangement for a card, or using a full flower background for my stamp images on top. The colors are very vibrant and they go really well with this kit and the cardstocks included. So again, that is 6 double-sided sheets from Paper Rose Rainbow Twill collection. We're also including 2 of the Simon Says Stamp pre-scored A2 side-folding note cards. You can use these horizontal or vertically, however you like to make your cards. You'll also receive 1 sheet of the Simon Says Stamp holographic rainbow 100-pound cardstock. This is perfect for die cutting and also using with your embossing folder. I've used this paper for my embossed image that I showed you earlier, and it retains the foil even on those raised areas. You'll also receive a sheet each of the Simon Says Stamp 100-pound cardstock in royal purple and sunshine. And finally, you'll receive one of the Simon Says Stamp mesh zipper bags. These are perfect for holding the contents of your kit because they also hold all of your larger size papers. And that's it for the reveal. Up next, I have some inspiration from some of our card designers. Kelly Person gold embossed a large message on vellum and backed it with white cardstock and also some pattern paper, and adorned her card with the party hats. I made a shaker card with the pattern paper and the rainbow wheel clay circles along with some flags in the same colors as the papers to get the party started. Tina Smith cut out her flower wreath and set it onto her card with the happy birthday message with the string and button below. And Heather Hoffman created 5x7 cards by using the large message with a border of flowers to the side. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of the latest card kit. Put your party hats on. Be sure to check the links below on how to purchase this kit, and also a link to our blog post with additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at SimonSaysStamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.